be back here in Southern California. We gotta thank y'all for coming out.